we're gonna go to ride over to Hermosa and see if I could get that part. If not, well, then I'll have to resort to plan B. And I'm not sure quite what plan B might be. Yeah, I'll just wait till these people. I'll just wait till these people pass by. I'm in no hurry. Besides, it gives me some time to get used to this new wheel set for this bike. I don't know, something's rubbing. I think it's just the I think the brake pads are running up against the rim, but that's no big deal. I think I have to double check that. Something's, I don't know if oh boy. I don't know if that's a slow leak or what. I don't know. If it is, I'm screwed. I don't know what that noise is. It's weird. Oh, it's kind of bothering me actually. Oh, I'm not going to push this bike until I find out what the heck that whistling noise is. I don't know what the heck that is. It's strange. It's pedaling good, but I don't know what it is. Let me pull over and see what's going on here. I think that's what it was. That's what it was, I think. It was the brake cable. Yeah, there we go. That did the trick. It was the brake cable rubbing up against the tire. We'll see if there's any other issues. It's nice and quiet now. Yeah, buddy. You know, if I really wanted to, I could just ride this with one brake. Functions really good. It's not a huge issue. Yeah, I love the way this bike rides, man. It's really, really smooth riding bike. I mean, when you get everything properly tuned up, man, it rides really good. I might change the saddle though. I think I'll probably put the saddle from the 1960 Schwinn Varsity. Yeah, you always got to be on your P's and Q's. All right, almost there.